Hey everyone. Well, as you can see today, I'm at the Fire Up the Grille car show, and that's happening at the Calvary Church here in Oshawa, and that's at the corner of Rossland and Wilson Road. A lot of nice cars around, so we're gonna go do a little walk around and check them all out. A lot of copyrighted music playing, so I might have to do some fancy editing and so forth. PC Cobra. I don't know if it's real or not. Built not by. Firebird.
But I mean, obviously, they need everything.
We've had this wind now for about 2 weeks straight. Just keeps coming out of the west. A couple of days ago, it took down a tree in the south end, landed on a little guy in a schoolyard. They had to get the air ambulance in, rush him up to Toronto. I heard he's doing okay though.
Yeah, they said that's the new generation. And apparently the new generation is
People want to show off their cars, they shouldn't sit right in front of them. Ford Galaxy. Mustangs. Yeah, you park right in front and just walk right on by you. Pontiac Le Mans. More copyrighted music playing. We got a Roadrunner here. Check this out. Oh, standard, nice. And Granville Brougham. And we got some newer vehicles. I don't exactly know what they are, so it's not my thing. I'm just trying to keep talking and talk over top of the music in the background. We got a little bug here. Yeah. Got an old Chevy, 53, lowered right down. We got a Chevelle. And we got another Chevelle here, small block. We got a new truck. And we got a Beaumont. And another Chevelle. There's a Chevelle alley. We'll go down around the corner here, work our way back around.
I mean, you kind of have to believe in hell, but hell and the devil,
Well, for tickets, but my wife and son went for us. You know what you do. So my wife
Wrong wheels, sorry man. Nice car, but we got a Mercury Comet, I think it is. Maverick.
69 here, Dad.
Corvette.
that is pretty, isn't it?
Got a Cougar. My brother likes these cars. we'll end up coming back down through that way on the way back. So. Camaro, little Mini, Volvo, another Camaro, Chevy, another Volvo, another Chevy.
Water, here's something.
Another Impala. And Cheechmobile. Got the Loud motorbike, Chevy Bel Air. Nova. Another Impala. GMC. GTX. And another Chevy. And Hemi Roadrunner. Wish the hood was up. And we got a Nova. Big block. Some kind of custom buggy thingy. Big Jerry Garcia's in there.
Never seen anything like that.
I know.
I got a real custom Buick. These things are leaving here, so just have to keep trying to talk over the top of the music. They also have a free barbecue here today if you want to stay in the line and get free food. I don't exactly know what they are giving out or not, but most likely hamburgers or hot dogs or something like that. Got a tractor. What else we got over here? Got a big caddy. Another Super B. Jeep. Scrambler. A Pro Street Corvette. I think this is a Lotus. Looks like a James Bond kind of car. And we got another Chevy. And a Buick Regal. I think it is. Harleys are leaving. I think it's a Dodge here. That's okay. Corvette, an Oldsmobile 442.
I appreciate that.
Oh, big block. Nice. We got a little panel wagon. Gotta love them.
What's that?
Fuel things. Monte Carlo.
That one is not good.
Mustang. Somebody yelling. Another Mercury Cougar. Big rig. A little Chevy. This is Ambassador. Nash. Los Cutlass. And a Bug. Another Olds. Not a big fan of the yellow, but Malibu. Laguna. Venus Mobile. Another Corvette. Arrow. I know some people put V8s in those. Mustang. Beaumont.
I'll be right back.
I'm just getting ready to go here now.
I don't know what that is. But it's Ford Fairlane. Lincoln Continental. Early 70s Camaro. Beamer. Ferrari, I guess. Not my style. Another Fiero. Got a 5-window coupe.
Well, you know what? He's passed away.
Corvette. Couple Monte Carlos. Zetter.
Had all the parts.
Newer Corvettes. See a lot of those down at the Cars on King car show downtown. They have the whole one row over by the Memorial Park all blocked off with Corvettes. Camaro. Mustang could stand up and dance, I bet. More nice vets over here. We'll check out. These ones are cool because these are driver cars you can take out and enjoy. Not so much real fancy. Big Impala. Got a cool Duster over there we'll check out in a minute. Got some Chevys. 4x4 row. Early 70s Blazer. Short box, I think.
Like this. Like this. Like this.
Got a Blazer. Kind of a gasser style. Chevy over here. And Setter. Chev. Matching lawn furniture. Another Chevy. Bel Air hiding in the shade. Duster or Demon? Duster. Mercury. Mustang. Not sure what that is. Some kind of custom thing. Roadrunner.
You guys.
Ford. Step side 4x.
Hey, Dan. What's it Volkswagen?
Carmagia. Rambler. Nice, nice. Wish I had a Rambler Scrambler here. Buick. Not up on my newer style cars. Another Rambler. Camaro. Little miniature truck kind of thing. It's neat looking. Camaros. Something else. Survivor car, you gotta like them. 40 scamp. We gotta go and check out the Acadian.
Hey, what's going on there, Jordan? Yeah, it's been a long day. Oh yeah, feet.
383 Super B. And a Charger. It's the first one I've seen. Got a stock car.
Hi guys. What do you think? Want to sit in it for a picture?
Come over and check out the tea bucket. Flathead. Mercedes. Mustang. Ford Galaxy. Survivor. Pro Street. Dodge Dart. Trans Am. Chevelle. Mustang. Looks like we're coming to the end of it. One car, a little truck thingy down here at the end. So anyways, if you enjoyed this little video, please subscribe and hit the like button. And until next time, take care everyone.